Yo traders, what's good? Welcome to the channel. So let's just get straight into these charts today. So I'm on NAS100. I've looked at US30 and they're both pretty much looking the same. So this is US30. Yeah, they're both pretty much looking the same, but I'm just going to stick to NAS. So it is Monday. I'm not expecting a lot from price today. So when it looks like this, there's really nothing going on like trend wise. So if I just go out to the 1 hour time frame, try and look for some sort of areas. Suppose like this is an area, so if you pull it across, you can just see the price has reacted from it multiple times in the past, and then it breaks through and it reacts from it. So you kind of get a picture. This whole area is a place where price reacts from. Bit messy looking, not the best, but still. We're up in an area where price reacts basically. So now I go to my 5-minute time frame. I could literally place a box there. And this is where I look for my lines now, my breakout areas. So the most clear one for me is there and there. So yeah, it's not really looking the best today, I'm not going to lie. There might still be an opportunity in there somewhere. So still waiting for some structure to be made. Markets has been open now for 20 minutes and it's only now doing the pullback. Hopefully we can place the line there now. Still just waiting for that pullback on a 5-minute time frame. I mean, this was kind of a pullback, but seeing as we're so bullish and we've just been going up for so long, I really don't want to just risk buying in now because price does want to come back at some point, I'm sure. So what we could do is use the Fibonacci as the target. So we don't just use the golden zone to trade from, we can actually trade into it as a target. If I go to the 1-minute time frame now, because the 5 minutes just taking long, then I'm going to look for the most cleanest break point. So there it is, there's the structure. That's clear structure to me. Boom, pulled back, pushed up from it. So if we get a break of this, we can literally trade down into the gold zone. My stop loss will be tight, so
order filled.
That's a break. So now we're getting that pullback on the 5-minute time frame, but we entered on the 1 minute on that tiny little break. And all we're targeting is the golden zone, the pullback area, 0.5. And this is where you could potentially look for an opportunity for it to come down, react from this area and then go back up. But I'll be out and done for the day anyway if it reaches this golden zone, so I won't even be interested. But that's another way you can use the fib. Actually target the golden zone if you think it's going to come back for a pullback. Why not target it? It makes sense. What also makes sense as well is to move the break even when you're this deep into the trade. Yes, on the 5-minute time frame, it definitely looks like it's due a nice pullback. We are obviously bullish, but this is just what we call counter trend trading, and as scalpers, we can do this. All we were looking for was that 1 minute little area to be broken, which was there. Some people could have even placed it there, but that's the actual structure, because this was the higher high and this is obviously the lower low. But I always use the bodies, the candle bodies, so yeah, that's why I placed my break point on the body, not the wicks. Got in a little bit late, but I got in on the breakout. Now we're at break even. Look at that. How did that not hit the TP? Let's have a look on the 5-minute time frame. Still got a minute or so. Yeah, I think you could get there in a minute or so.
Order filled.
Yeah, it did it. It did it. Nice. So hit the golden zone. Used it as a target point this time instead of a place to trade from. And yeah, that's another way to use the fib. But let me just quickly run back through it. So this perfect break there happened before New York open. Look, 20 past. So that's 10 minutes before the open. I've just been waiting all this time for a break, for a pullback to potentially come back up and buy in on the break. But because I knew it was due a pullback, I went to the 1 minute time frame and I just looked for an opportunity for price to break. So yeah, waited for the break. I got in, went back to the 5-minute time frame because I knew we're just getting a pullback on this bullish move, and used the Fibonacci from the low wick to the high wick, tapped in perfect to the 0.5. I'm not sure if it's going to get even further to the 0.618, but price could just boom back up now from the golden zone. And this could be where most people are getting their entries to buy. But you just see me use the golden zone in a bullish market to actually sell into. So there you go. There's another little lesson learned, huh? But that's it for today. I'll see you in the next video. Salute.